How old are you, Nick? She said. She said. She's the oldest from the family. He's the oldest, sorry. I don't know. How old are you? She's asking. I don't know. Ayaw niya sagutin. Don't like to answer.
Maybe you are.
Ang galing talaga. You have a nice, you have a sweet words, sir. Maybe she's an angel. Wow. Angel ka daw. Angel. Angel at that.
Angel o angel?
Galing ang mga sweet words nila. Ano yun?